Okay, and show us the Cultúrlann Irish. Here we are again in the Cultúrlann, behind the scenes of Music City 2014, and I've managed to nab these lovely two people here before they go on Radio Ulster. We have Paddy Nash here and Diane Greer. Jim Martasha, how are you doing?
Tommy
My shit. Is
that right?
So, I'll ask you first, Diane. What's been the highlight of the music year for you so far?
Well, I'd have to say that one of our personal highlights would be that we had the homegrown show in the Millennium Forum, and it was in January. It was Homegrown 2. We did it last year with Paul Casey and Brona Gallagher, and Paddy Nash and the Happy Enchiladas performed, and it was sold out, and it was fabulous. So that was a personal highlight for us this year.
You guys have been really involved with the youth programme for Music City, haven't you? That documentary was made for TV.
The Sync through the Nair Centre. That's been brilliant. Like last year now, the funding's kind of been pulled on it, so it's kind of like a bit like they've kind of the rug pulled from underneath their feet. But there's some great young musicians coming through, and even seeing them today, this morning they were all playing, they were singing, and it's great to see. It's great to see how far they've come on.
We're just going to go over now and find out who won the Roaring Meg Busking competition.
All right.
So what's been the best gig you've seen, say, in Cultúrlann this year then so far?
In Cultúrlann, the best gig I've seen was Eamon Friel. Eamon Friel, for me, is the best songwriter in Ireland, and he doesn't play often enough, so every time he plays
that,
Yeah, absolutely. And Eddie, who's sitting over here, who plays piano with us, plays along with Eamon Friel as well, and I'd agree, he's like it's like one of the unsung.
But it's like, you know, the whole thing, and I just think that people now that are running kind of things like this, Music City, why Eamon Friel should be willed out in front of people, like to say, no, this is
a public service broadcast here on behalf of the
It's our chairman.
fan club.
But that's the thing, like, he's like,
So he's your musical hero from Doire then?
Yeah, for definite.
Excellent. Okay, so as we're in Cultúrlann, Doire le Gaeilge and all that, can I ask a wee favour of you? Say into the camera with me in a year tree, Doire, Cathair, Cheoil.
Right.
So we'll say it in a year tree after three. 1, 2, 3.
Doire, Cathair, Cheoil.